nerves that come out of the lumbosacral plexus to make up the nerves that we're studying in the lower body. So you start by listing in order the nerves that come out of the vertebrae to make up the sciatic nerve, which we remembered by our count to 5 trick that we did. S1, S2, S3, and then we also remember 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, which of course are lumbar, so L4, L5. Once you get this first line set up, we chop off the first number and we shift this second half down. So I'll put that, we'll move that in row 2. So we start with L5. All these numbers are going over and sliding over just like that. So now we go L5, S1, S2, S3. So just do it again, chop off the front one, shift this down, S1, S2, S3. But now when doing this puzzle, we know that we need to have one L in each row. We have L4, 5 here, we have an L covered, we need an L here, we have L5, got it covered. This row doesn't have an L, so what we need to remember is to bring down L4 from the top. Comes down here.
Count 1, 2, 3, 4.
L4. This L4 is kind of an important one up here, so we're going to put it in black and red, and you'll see why in a minute. So once we get our table drawn up here and we have our nerve endings set up, that's when we can kind of break it down a little bit so we know which nerves go to which nerves connect and form the other nerve. So this top one was our sciatic nerve. L4, 5, S1, 2, 3. This is also tibial nerve. S1 and 2, kind of in the middle of this list here, we put parentheses around these two, and those make up the piriformis. Once that's set up, we can draw a line from L4 until S2. And that's going to be our fish from our OF said the fish, which was what nerve? Common fibular. Once we have our fish set up, we circle these two in the vertical columns. Form the butt at the bottom, which is going to give us our gluteal nerves. First one is superior, right? Yeah, superior gluteal, inferior gluteal.
Sports Illustrated.
And then we can remember that Sports Illustrated is stupid. Sports Illustrated is stupid. Or shitty. Or shitty. I and S, the reason they switch is going to be for which muscles?
Inferior gemellus and superior gemellus.
Which are the rotators in a couple rotators in the hip. Once we've got this table set up and we've broken it down to this level, we just have to add in two more numbers in here to finish our table. So we're gonna add those in blue. And that would be L2, 3, right? Is that what it is? L2, 3.
2, 3.
Yep.
Earlier we said that this L4 is pretty important, not only because you need to remember to bring it down at the end of the puzzle here. It's also used as our hybrid in the lumbar plexus to make up this group of nerves, which forms what?
The obturator and the
Obturator anterior and the femoral.
The obturator nerve, L2, 3, 4. Obturator.
And the femoral.
And femoral. And we can also remember the divisions of the obturator and the femoral and where they go anterior or posterior in the lumbosacral complex plexus.
Obturator is anterior,
Obturator is anterior,
femoral is posterior.
femoral is posterior. Because feminist post up.
Pretty good.
Women.